How to fix Bluetooth device not working on Windows 11. So if you want to fix your Bluetooth device not working on your Windows 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your search. Under search, you need to search for services, and here you need to just go with the Bluetooth section. Under Bluetooth, you will have the three services, right? So you just need to simply right click on the service, go with properties. And if you've not started the service, then you just need to simply go and start the service and make sure the startup type is automatic. Once you've selected automatic, you can go with apply and OK. In the same way, you can go with the next service, go with properties, make the startup type automatic, and then start the service and go with apply. And again, you need to go with the third one, properties, and select the startup type is automatic, and then start the service and go with apply and OK. And this might fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is to troubleshoot. So go with your search, and under search, you need to search for troubleshoot settings. Once you click on it, then here you will have other troubleshooters. Just click on it, and under the other troubleshooters, you will have Bluetooth. You just need to simply go and run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. And once you run the troubleshooter, then it might take a few seconds. It will detect the problems that it has on your Bluetooth, and it will fix the problem. You can just go with apply with the fix, and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last thing you can do is just right click on your Windows and go with device manager option. Under device manager, now here you will have Bluetooth. Go with the Bluetooth, right click on that, and then go with properties. And here you will have driver section. Under driver, you can go with update driver, and you can either go with search automatically for drivers. And if it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, then you don't need to do anything. But if it is not installed, then you can just simply go with search for drivers or browse my computer for drivers, and then you can browse and go with next, or let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And after that, go with next and update your drivers. And after updating, you can restart your device and your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your Bluetooth device not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.